Hi, I'm Lindsay Warnes,
Hi, I'm Megan Campbell.
and we are attorneys at Willow Legal Group. We are an estate planning law firm, and we help busy professionals with their estate plan. And this is our new series on all things estate planning called Did You Know? So, Megan, what are we going to be talking about today?
Yeah, so today we're going to talk about, did you know the things that a will doesn't do? And the first thing is, did you know that a will doesn't plan for incapacity? So a will only comes into effect after you've passed away, which means if you are sick, incapacitated in a hospital, the wishes in your will, don't do anything. It's pretty much a worthless set of papers that aren't used until you've passed away.
That is good to know. Did you also know that if you own property jointly with somebody, in most cases, there are, of course, some exceptions, a will is not going to determine what happens with that property. So if you own property like a bank account or a house with somebody else, but you want that property to go to somebody other than the co-owner, your will is not going to determine that.
Yeah, similarly, the same thing happens with payable on death designations and beneficiaries. So when you've named a payable on death beneficiary, for example, in your 401ks or in an IRA or a life insurance policy, those things aren't impacted by your will. They pass outside of probate for the most part, and they go to the individuals named in those documents. So if those are inconsistent with your will, you haven't updated them when you've updated your estate plan, then they're not going to follow your wishes. So what else, Lindsay?
That is true. Did you know that your will also doesn't name emergency caretakers for your children? So, as you were saying earlier, your will only goes into effect when you die. So, if you are in the hospital or laid up for any amount of time and you need somebody to care for your kids, the guardians that you've named in your will are not automatically going to have that legal authority to do so.
And then last, right, I think one of the biggest things for folks is your will isn't a private document. Once you have passed away and probate has been opened for your estate, those documents are all public and folks can go online. Now, with everything being digitized and online, you can go onto the Register of Wills here in Maryland and search and find people's wills and their private information, which is really concerning for a lot of clients.
Yep. So those are 5 things that a will doesn't do, and now you know.
Now you know.